Hi, I'm Alexis. My Monash journey started from JIC, where I completed my Diploma of IT, and now I'm doing Bachelor of Computer Science now in Monash. I chose JIC because JIC offers a direct pathway to Monash from Jakarta to Melbourne, and the staffs are also really helpful in terms of the application, the visas, and everything, so it makes my transition a lot smoother. Living in Australia is great. The city is lovely. You can walk everywhere and easy access to public transport. I chose Monash because Monash is one of the best universities in Australia. It also has a high ranking. The campus is really huge. There's a lot of study areas, libraries, also a lot of food options. I get to meet a lot of new people from all over the world, and people here are so welcoming and they're also very friendly. If you're coming to Monash, be super excited. You're gonna meet a lot of new people, you're gonna have a lot of new experiences, and Melbourne is amazing, so be excited. My pathway from JIC helps me familiarize with the Monash curriculum, so it makes my transition a lot smoother. And JIC also has small classes, so it helps me focus and understand the materials better. I feel like my pathway from JIC helps me feel like I belong here, and Monash feels like my second home.